counting.
They stop.
And then pull up his maps if he needs them. And then
Yeah, I'm gonna need the maps. So let's move all this stuff.
Hey.
And if one of you would like to look through my miniatures for appropriate miniatures for everybody, I will give you an inspiration die.
Oh, whoa.
I'm just gonna put it out there.
Whoa. Y'all want to help? Here, y'all sit next to one another. Here, sit here. No, just sit here so y'all can go through y'all's stuff.
It might be good for you to sit in the middle, only because then you can help us.
Okay, we'll sit there.
Yeah.
You find inspiration die, or you find
Okay,
miniatures
can you
for
move the screen down?
Ben and
You
Dakota.
can just take the mouse, I think, unless it's wired.
Nah.
That's good. Or a little bit up. Okay, so the top left map is the one we're using.
Okay.
You just use the scroll wheel. Yeah, you can go over and then use the there you go. A little
It's
more.
lagging a little bit, so hang on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really lagging. Like, I'm halfway up and it's not moving.
It's pretty fun.
Ah.
Whoa! Oh yeah. Okay, scroll way down.
That's a great
Here you-
city. Is that?
Hold on, let it load. Let it buffer.
Okay, go up again. I think.
Will this help make it go better? I wonder. There we go. It processes better this way.
Okay, so where you guys are at is the top left one. Okay, so you are currently on the
For that big square.
Hold on, let me read this real quick.
Doritos? Yes, she does.
It's a Doritos, bro.
And she's been whispering it. One Doritos.
Okay.
Doritos, Joe.
There we go. Okay, so you guys have been looking for a way to get across the lake to the big tomb in the middle. The tomb is like where they put like dead bodies and stuff. Right? So, because you got to go there and figure out why the lake smells bad.
Smell that. It smells bad too.
It does, but also delicious.
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay. So, as you guys walk down the road, the 2-mile trek to the lake shore, you see two figures in the distance. One very short, and one kind of tall.
Relations? I point off to the distance to you.
To the short.
Oh, yeah.
So as they walk up to you guys, this small, short gnome, he's like this tall. He's shorter than both of you. And as a dwarf, that's weird. You're not used to people being shorter than you. Comes up to you and goes, "How are ya?" Like this. Yeah. How are ya? What do you guys say? You can just tell him what you're doing. You can.
What are you doing?
Like, I don't know.
Are you looking at lakes?
You can ask them what they're doing.
Yeah, what are we doing here?
That backfired. So you're asking us what we're doing here? Who are you?
Trapdoor.
Do you say
It's a
that?
pretty cool name.
Do you always say your name like that?
What's the problem with it?
I'm just asking you a question. Do you always say your name like Trapdoor?
Whiskey says, well, I like it.
Thank you.
So the people you see around you, this guy right here, he's human. He's kind of tall. He's got patchy like things of hair. It's like he's going bald, but there's like little pieces of hair sticking out everywhere. And he's dressed in like robes, and he's got like a cool stick at his side. He's got some stuff going on.
He looks like a Jedi.
The person over there, you can see, who said that she liked your name, is a woman. You're just a human, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's cloaked in dark clothes. She's got long brown hair. What color eyes?
Red hair and
Red hair.
and green eyes.
So she's got red hair, green eyes, very pretty, and has a crossbow you can see at her side and a couple of daggers.
She's got extremely large earrings and a necklace.
Big old hoop earrings.
Very bedazzled.
Yeah, a lot of jewels.
I feel like she's
And then
restraining
a
the
tiny
urge to make
little
fun of
gnome who's wearing a black robe. So that's who you guys see in front of you, okay?
you. Eating a hunch of meat.
So what do y'all do? Your name's Trapdoor?
What's your name? A whiskey asked. The girl asked. Kiki, good to meet you.
So this
Kiki.
diminutive little dwarf
What's so
calls
funny
you
about it?
Kiki.
Oh,
You get punched in the
I
leg.
knew a Kiki. She was a barmaid.
That's my nickname.
What's your real name?
Kiki.
Our real name's Kiki,
Kim Elston.
and your name's Tragor. I know what Tragor was.
The tractor beat him up and took his money.
Yeah, that's me.
He just doesn't remember it because you beat him so hard.
So why are y'all here?
Going to the light to the team.
Yeah, so on this little screen, you guys can see what's happening. So you're trying to get from here to here.
Show the water? That's
It's a lot of water.
How does the water look? Does it look like sludge?
It is sludgy and stinky and brackish and
Hey.
dark.
I dare one of y'all to swim across the lake. I dare you to swim across the lake. What do
You
you
wanted to
mean?
look for a boat?
Yeah, I'm
Go ahead, roll a perception check.
Try my bonus.
I got kids don't
I
die.
got 10.
All right, so you see, it's kind of hidden by some brush. You see a small broken raft.
I think a raft is behind this brush and not very well hidden.
I thought Tragor was gonna.
Are you gonna swim? Okay, so as you get into the water, oh no, you're doing it now. As you get into the water, all right, I need you to roll. Give her a d20.
Gold one.
Roll it, girl.
Okay, so I need you to roll.
A 20.
As you do it, you're like, ah, stuff, and you can hear well, you're the elf. You can hear you're like,
Trogdor doesn't care.
and you swim right in. It's a long way to the other shore, but you can feel that the water's starting to kind of burn your skin, but you don't care.
I dare you, little one, to swim across like Trogdor.
There's a
Kiki.
raft right
It's
there.
about 1,000 feet from where you're at to the islands.
An 11.
Okay, so as you swim into the water, you can feel it start to burn your skin, and you're like, ah, and you immediately get back out because it hurt you.
Take the raft.
What's a rat?
So as you start kind of messing with the raft, you kind of put a foot on it, and like half of it sinks into the water.
Yep. That's why we didn't use that.
Okay,
Make a investigation check.
So y'all at Trogdor. Is she across all the way to the other side of the island yet?
19.
So as you're kind of noticing, what did you say?
Is Trogdor to the other side of the island
It's
yet?
like 1,000 feet away. She's like paddling out into the water.
I'm just laughing. Trogdor's
You notice like, oh, there's some stuff that I could probably repair this with. You begin kind of doing that. Trogdor's like paddling in the water. It's burned. You can smell the stink of her burning hair and burning leather armor, but she still seems fine.
Come back.
No, keep going, keep going. This is amusing.
You can feel it start to burn through, and it's starting to hurt your skin.
The nice lady is asking you to come back.
How far is she though? She can make
She's
it
only about at this point she's only about 50 feet out.
There.
Not even like
There.
there. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
So
come back.
you swim back and you begin repairing the raft with things that are around. You think that you can probably fit everybody else.
She tells you, we're going to fix this. Could you help me
Does
out?
anybody want to take any drinks from the water? I'm just really curious.
Actually,
Hey, Kiki, I dare
Actually-
you.
Don't
we'll
even
just
try.
investigate the water.
Okay, roll a perception check.
D20?
Yep.
15.
Okay, so you notice that 15 was the DC. So you notice as you're looking, you can see what they had described. You can see slime and sludge pouring from the mouth of the temple into the water. And as you look at the water, you can see it's that liquid that you remembered before. It is the same thing. It is poison.
Well,
You should not drink it.
what I rolled for was, since I'm an alchemist of sorts, I wondered if there was any sort of thing I could make to diffuse it or basify it.
Thank
In
you.
this great of a quantity, you know, because you have a keen alchemical mind, it would take a great quantity of basic liquid in order to tone down the acidic nature of this water.
Something that my alchemy jug could produce per minute.
Yeah, but I mean, you're talking about huge lakes, so it would take like you'd have to stand here for. And
I'm not-
plus, there's more pouring into.
I'm not purging the lake.
But
I
can
mean,
they
if
purge
I'm on
the
the
circle
boat, I'm
around
trying
us?
to drop in front of the boat so that we could
Safety.
He's repaired the boat, so he feels pretty confident that the boat can make it across.
She is the best builder
I'm
you've
sorry,
ever
she.
seen.
Whiskey feels
This is not a
like
builder.
it's
this is
okay.
a repairman.
Whiskey feels pretty confident in her ability to
Build a deck.
repair things on the fly.
So wait a second. Do these two new people, do they have the same state of mind, or do they seem like they're more anchored into this reality, or like the other people?
They seem as anchored as people named Kiki and Trogdor would be in this realm.
No perception
Have
check.
you ever drank Mr. Pibb?
Oh God.
Have you drank Mr. Pibb before?
Have you drank Mr. Pibb?
Have you drank Mr. Pibb?
I pull up
Mr. Pibb?
I pull up my backpack
No? Really?
and a bottle of Mr. Pibb. Would you like a sip of Mr. Pibb?
No.
No?
She's smarter than
Do
you.
Would you like a sip of Mr.
I drank
Pibb?
some and it gave me rabbit ears.
Yeah.
I
So
don't
you
think
notice that
no
Whiskey
thanks.
underneath her hood has rabbit ears sticking up, and then you look behind the little gnome and he's got a pigtail.
Little pigtail.
She laughs at your pigtail.
I turn around and I actually realize that I have one for the first time. I'm like,
Oh yeah, you never noticed.
whoa.
Would you like a sip of this Mr. Pibb?
To give you wings? Theoretically.
Alright, I put it back in my backpack.
Speaking of Lord of the
It's
Rings.
not Red Bull.
So the boat,
It seems sound
do I
now.
see any big slimes or anything like forming on the coast?
No, the only thing you notice is like all of the plant life around the edge of the lake is dead. Completely dead. You don't notice any slimes. You can't see all the way to the island in the center of the lake, but it looks slime free.
So, do we all go across at once, or do we send Trogdor and Kiki across and see if they get, well, I'm sure they will get to the other side.
So one of them can come back with the raft?
Sure.
I'll come back to the rest.
I think we can all do it.
She agreed she'd come back with the raft.
That would mean we leave Kiki alone on that island, and I'm not doing that. I'll go with them.
Then, I mean, sure, okay. I just met you. Okay.
Wait a minute. Are we trying to pull the
You guys can make it across the lake all on the raft if you want. It's big enough.
I
Like
could
they get on it, and you're like
And why are we
10 feet of space
Are we
around.
fighting about the same thing? Yeah.
I cast Unseen Servant.
Okay. What are you trying to do? You don't have to pull the raft.
Wait a minute.
Pull the
Wait,
raft.
time out.
Do you want me to try to pull the raft?
Unseen Servant isn't a cantrip. Back everything.
Yeah. Okay.
Back everything.
You guys, there's poles that you could probably utilize to. You probably need 4 people to do it.
Poles?
Poles. Pole. The
Pole.
pole.
The
like
thing
a
you
big
dance on.
Oh.
pole. I don't know how to say pole any differently than the way I said it.
Pull.
Pole.
Pull.
Pole. Am I
Pole
saying?
or
Am I
pole?
saying something
Where are you
weird?
from?
Pole or pole?
Florida. Pole. How do you say pole?
Pole.
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 How do you say
All right.
pole?
Democrat or Republican?
Listen.
So, do you guys all get on the raft?
Yeah.
Pull.
Yeah, let's do
Kiki.
it.
I kind of
Trogdor?
stand back a second.
Okay, so Kiki, Trogdor, Whiskey, and
Yeah, he
Crypto
is.
all get on the raft, and they're looking at Bishop like, what are you doing, man? And you guys
Don't make the
sense
jump.
maybe he's a big old scared cat.
Wait a minute. Time out. Alright, complete. I don't know if this is feasible or not, but since I've actually. Does this do psychic damage or not?
Oh, man.
But my character would know how
I'm
to
not coming back
interact
eating
with
beforehand
the
every day.
So what feels like?
the acid. Anything in this.
No, it's acid damage. Oh, no, it's. I'm sorry. It's actually
This is an illusion.
in the lake is necromantic damage.
Oh,
As far as you guys have seen, the damage in this place is real.
really?
Everything you've experienced has been real so far. Just
But
what you were told it was an illusion.
Would myself know that since it is a dance and dog and pony show, he wouldn't kill us inside us. He couldn't kill us inside us. I don't think if it's an illusion.
You
Really know
are
that?
not sure. You know he's testing you, but that's about it. I mean, you don't know how far to go. You can assume he wants to use you, but he also said it was a test.
I was
So
just
are you
through
worthy?
the acid and be like, I don't care.
Do you want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay, so you jump. So there, as you guys are all standing on the raft, Bishop, the weird, hair coming out everywhere guy, is on the shore. The gnome jumps into the water and begins to swim. I need you to make a Constitution saving
The
throw.
gnome.
7.
All right, so
Oh, you're gonna drown.
Boy, you gonna drown.
If I don't burn.
what did you roll? Ooh,
Seven.
7. You can feel that poison that you knew about before. You can feel it begin to suffuse your system.
Definitely.
You are poisoned,
Nice.
which does a thing.
Makes me delirious.
I think it's on y'all's sheet. Can y'all look on the rules and see if there's a poisoned
Yes, you do.
condition?
It makes me lose saving throws or regular throws.
Cool. Well, you are poisoned, so remember that when I tell you.
Attacks and abilities checks have disadvantage.
Yes.
Yep, you now have that for an amount of time.
Okay.
Did you get back on the boat?
Might as well.
All right, so you can see the little gnome who climbs back onto the boat. He's dripping that stinky black water with a yellow foam just falls off him, and he's like,
Whiskey says, "Am I the only one that knows that the poison is bad?"
That's why I'm not getting on the boat.
Listen, Bishop. She pulls out that staff.
okay.
Get on the boat, and this is yours.
Do I recognize that?
Make a
You got shiny.
make an Arcana check. You are not proficient in it, but make it anyways.
What did I even roll? 17.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You get a sense there is something amazing about that staff.
So, when we get out of this dream, Whiskey, the staff is mine?
There's another condition.
Whoa!
You start taking this seriously.
Take it seriously. I was taking my life seriously. Y'all are the ones who want to go across this lake of poison with these two little Ragnar and Kiki. Like, we met these people.
So,
Start taking seriously the fact that I'm risking everything to protect the two of you. Three of you.
you know what he said.
I'm protecting you. I think you were underneath the cart getting molested by a slime, and I kicked it off you.
Do you want the staff or not?
If we can buddy shake.
As you get closer to the staff, you feel wind coming from it.
Ruh-roh. That's magical.
Alright, scaredy cat, just get on the boat.
Shakes.
Okay,
That's how it
everybody's on the boat. You guys
Step on
gonna
the boat.
pull your way over? You gonna make your way there?
Who's rowing? I let Kiki and Ragnar to row the boat.
Trogdor?
Trogdor, yes.
All right. Well, we need four people. Four people gotta row the boat.
One more.
Probably the little tiny gnome won't be rowing, I would guess, or is he?
Me and the unseen servant can row together. Maybe
I'll
make
let
this
you
regular
cast
person.
this one very time. You
I'm
cast
in a
Unseen
dream.
Servant without using a spell slot. So the gnome and an invisible servant and Kiki and Trogdor and one other person.
We're still less the strength of him, but you know.
I guess
And
that's
I
four.
kind of pick it up like,
You guys begin pulling your way across the lake.
row. I'm the one leading
Towards
it.
the,
Row.
just
Row.
You see that gnome self like this rising with the horde?
yeah, like but the unseen servant's doing all the work. So you guys can't tell it's there. So yeah, the gnome is rising into the air like every time he's supposed to row. He just goes. He's not helping.
We ended up over here on this side.
My little legs are running in the air.
Okay, the image on the right hand side. Can you bring that up?
The island?
On the right hand side. Just
Legs
you
running
move
in the air.
the bottom scroll bar to the right. Oh crap! No. That's
Things
the
just happened.
that's the right hand side scroll. What are you doing?
I'm going back.
Metagame.
Okay, so we're shifting
to the right hand side.
Okay. Keep on.
It's okay.
Oh, that's how this works.
All right, then scroll
Why
down.
is one not the same guard?
Listen to me. Why are we going to Scholomance?
You guys gotta go there and figure out why it's pooping out slime.
That's literally
You guys see the
Scholomance.
slime poop? That's right there.
Wait,
Look at it.
there's
That's the
slime right
slime poop right there.
Yeah.
Whiskey leaves
Okay.
the staff in your hands.
Okay.
Okay, you have the staff. Mark down.
As you
Staff. Okay, as you grasp it, you feel a sense of revulsion. You do not like grasping this staff. Not because you sense anything bad about
Pushing
it.
me back.
It's just kind of gross.
Not like every other staff we grasp.
It's just kind of gross. But write down magic staff.
Alright.
Because you never figured out what it was.
wind.
Magic staff that blows out wind and
It
makes you
breaks.
feel like poop.
It
Alright,
breaks
cool. Bark staff. I know I shouldn't, but I want more flavor. Give me more.
With you. It's with Dakota.
More up to the apple.
I need you to roll for however many Dr. Pibbs you get.
there. Okay, so
Yay.
as you
This is yours.
good. Thank you. You guys disembark from the raft as you get there. You each get off of it, and you see the tomb, and you can see all along the tomb pillars. So there's like this big building, and there's these two pillars on the side. There's ravens, the bird, all over these tombs, and you can see there's ravens all over the side of it as you kind of come from here.
What are you guys doing?
No,
Not me, man.
Not the real world.
Don't you feel better now that you did that?
No.
Yeah, you're not scared anymore, right?
I'm not scared. Yes.
Don't roll the metal dice on the screen.
Whoever takes the raven.
You go over there, Trogdor walks over to that, and she's like,
I was not expecting that.
and kicks the
I have
thing.
dice for them.
And I want you to roll a d20.
Back
So
over
you're
there.
rolling a strength check.
You want to pick your color? What color are you? You want this blue one?
A 20. Oh wow. She
Where
punks
you-
that
you wanna be
raven.
right- you wanna be right there?
That's like
You're rolling 20?
That's a Seahawks.
Okay,
field
so-
goal. That's not a Jaguars
You-
field goal.
Which color do you want? You want to be this?
Hey man, all right, we've got Lambo,
You're
right? Get out of here. All right, so you kick
You're
the
right
pillar,
behind her.
and you
see
can
how
feel
you're
the whole building begin to shake, and it's like, and there's like dust coming down, and then it all comes still. Nothing happens.
Whoa.
Do you see how you're right behind
Pretty
her?
strong.
Whoa, Charles.
Let's see her the slimes next time.
You got one?
Kiki's that one.
Who's what?
Kiki and Trogdor.
Trogdor. You just
Trogdor
kicked
kicked the slide.
He
Kicked the
kicked-
bird.
that. Whiskey.
This one.
Yep.
And
And that one. Okay.
Wow.
And
when
then
we
I-
have guests, we become that one.
Okay.
And then I said, who can beat that?
She kicked a pillar.
Whiskey says, "Well, I
And
Dust
the
came
whole
down.
place like
It
kinda
rocked back and
whole
forth.
place kind of like disintegrated at a time.
The
I run up to her,
dwarf.
kick it, taking her challenge.
Roll a strength check.
18.
Pretty good. Minus. No, minus nothing.
Yeah.
Because you yeah. All right. So you kick it, and that was pretty strong. So you take. You don't have armor like the dwarf does.
She's the
Elf. She's the elf.
You take 3. Oh, you're the elf. Oh, you don't have any armor. Hold on
I'm
a
a
second.
goldfish.
You take 8 damage from kicking the pillar. That's a lot of damage. Can you mark it down for me?
Yeah.
Under the hit points. And you take 3.
Yeah, this
You guys are really good at kicking things.
Yeah.
But you have cure wounds. You can cure yourself. Remember that. But you took 8
So we
damage.
have some.
You want to cure yourself? Okay. So here. So cross it out and write down 2, and then roll.
Have I lost my temporary hit points
Roll this.
from the slime battle earlier?
2.
All right. So you heal 6.
Constitution.
No, it's plus her. Actually, it would be plus 2. So 4. You do 4 damage.
All right.
What did you say?
Have I lost my temporary hit points already?
Yes. Or no. You haven't taken a short rest. They did. You didn't. So you're good. You still have them.
Alright, so we're at this
You're
temple.
at the tomb.
Alright. So we're at this temple. I've just seen Trogdor
Kick
and
them.
Crypto
Pillar.
hit, and
They
it,
both hurt
but
themselves.
did it like it fizzled out of time, right?
There's a big entrance that leads into there where there's some slime kind of dripping out of it. They kicked it and everything
More slime
shook,
comes
but
out.
nothing happened.
So
You sense
basically-
that kicking pillar.
So there's basically what the picture shows. There's slime pouring out of the temple to the
Yep.
sides.
Yep, and there's a large inner chamber within the temple, or within the tomb.
So
Who's way over there?
I think
That's just his, yeah.
Kiki. I dare you to go inside that tomb first.
I'll go with her.
You guys want to go together?
Yeah.
Okay, so the
Who hired y'all first? Because I mean, let me explain something to y'all. I told the centaur that I would get one big item if I cleared out this temple. What did y'all tell the centaur y'all would get?
You're so brilliant.
What did y'all have to do?
You tell me. So you could have either taken each or one big item.
I
One
told.
big item.
So then, if we clear this, you promise me. If I keep you alive, you promise me I will give you. You'll give me your big item, but I'll give you 20.
That's metagaming. Stop that.
It's brilliant.
But
I don't want to.
Damn.
What do you want to do?
Do what you want to do. You can beat it with your
I'm gonna talk to this Kiki. Kiki.
He's gonna mug you. Go, oh, dang.
She punches you
Violent
in the
is
leg.
Oh.
Yeah, you take one bludgeoning damage. Plus, here, look at her, whatever her strength is.
No,
Plus
seriously.
3.
You take 4 bludgeoning damage.
And he got punched
You
in the
go,
face.
oh, and punch him right in his calf, and it hurts.
She just punched him in the face, too.
Whoa.
She's an alpha. doesn't
Whoa,
hurt.
guys. Whoa. I was just trying to help y'all live.
By taking your stuff.
No. What does your stuff have to equal if you're dead?
Damn, look at her. She's got the posture down,
If you-
too.
The elf is like brandishing her bow at you, like she's
But if
gonna-
you're dead, how can you use this one big item?
I'll be dead.
Yeah, you guys are strong, man. You got this.
Alright. Well, I tried.
You can't even mug little kids.
All right, so are you guys going in?
Yeah, we're going in. I'm already ahead of y'all.
Okay, so,
No, they
so he
went in
walks
first.
ahead of you
Oh,
guys.
yes, you walked in.
So
I
you
can
guys
see.
walk in right behind Crypto. As you come in, you see a familiar sight. There's a specter kind of floating there who looks like Torvald, who you have met before. And he kind of looks towards you as you look in, and he
Torvald.
Oh, hello.
I come up to him really quick and I motion to his ear.
Yes.
There's gonna be a guy who insulted your ghostly form. Don't let him get away with it.
Okay, I will make sure that doesn't happen.
Whiskey bows to him.
Why does
and
it
he's
sound
like
so
floating.
He's
He's
dead.
a like a ghost,
An old ghost.
yeah, an old ghost.
Do you have a,
He's
do you have a percentile that matches that? A percentile dice?
yeah,
Thank you. I was wondering where that
stole it. So you notice
I see
Torvald as
Torvald.
well. You met Torvald.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know, you actually knew more than they do, because you noticed his top of the temple was gone when you went to go look at the ziggurats.
He was the guy that was communicating to us.
No, he was the guy that had the black sword. Yeah.
Torvald.
So things didn't go too well for you?
No, I was able to save you though, which was my ultimate goal.
Oh, so we had gold.
My queen asked much of me, and I gave all.
And I guess she's asking much of us because I think you're poison.
I don't know how I arrived here. I was with my queen, and then I wasn't.
You guys have no idea what he's talking about.
Torvald, I was able to meet Coco.
Oh, Coco, does he still live?
He left. I'm not sure.
Oh,
But I found the one he sent me to find.
good. I can see that you have linked up
under that table?
with the group that has no name as far as I'm aware.
The Sirens of the Pink Pearls.
That's it, the sirens of the pink pearls. I will tell all the gods. You sense the consequences to these actions.
Yes, he's totally not joking. You already accepted her boon.
You have come.
Shut up.
You have come to cleanse my tomb.
That's what the centaurs hired us for. But what are you hiring us for?
Aren't those amazing?
I seek
allergic.
your help, but
But what-
I have nothing to
but what can your
offer.
god
It's in everything.
I have not been able to speak to her since I was brought to this place.
Such an unfortunate circumstance for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So the ghost looks really sad, guys.
Oh,
It's really sad.
he died.
Poor baby.
Is there a way we can bring you back?
Damn, Jack.
No, my queen, before I was brought to this place, brought me close to her so that I could be at peace. If you could return me to her, I would be eternally there.
Do you know of anyone else that would seek you returning to your Raven Goddess?
No. No one. I have not been able to contact any but you.
You brought us here?
No. You came into the front door.
Who is keeping you here? Do you know?
I do not know.
I hate to leave, but I have to use the restroom. I'll go for it. I really don't want to leave in this moment. So.
Welcome to my world.
Where, Whiskey? Where are you going? Don't leave! Stop!
She has to squat behind a bush.
Yeah, she'll be right back.
Squat on your tomb.
So, why are they here?
Cotton candy here.
I do not know why any of you are here.
Torald doesn't know. He doesn't know.
He's a ghost.
You were sent here by the centaurs.
Yeah.
To cleanse the shrine, and he's telling you he needs help.
Yep.
You don't know why. You never met this guy.
He doesn't know you either.
Yep.
Have you lived here your whole life in Midgar?
No.
Where are you from?
You don't know.
North Carolina. All right. So Whiskey went to go urinate, and
Whiskey, no!
so what is here? What is here desecrating your shrine?
Oh, there is a dark creature underneath my tomb.
And as he says that, you can see the tomb just slides to the side, and there's a stairway being revealed underneath.
Down there. A creature wrapped in rags. Dark and evil. With oozy,
It's a
jelly-like creatures all around it.
Is it scared of fire?
A mummy?
I don't know.
Do you know who it is?
Does he know anything?
No.
No.
They are here. They are desecrating my tomb.
Do you know anything?
I know that I opened this door for you.
Don't you know?
That is all I know.
Remember what happened last time you made an NPC upset? Hey, don't sass the NPCs. I heard about that. You got thrown out and didn't have a room to stay in. They took your stuff. Gotta be nice to NPCs.
Can you give us a blessing to enter your tomb? It is your tomb, correct?
I am not a god.
But
My powers have fled me since I died.
you
Clearly aren't shooting high enough.
They were told that a cloth-wrapped creature with oozy jelly-like creatures existed in the stairway that he opened up.
It's a mommy.
Cool.
Kiki, you seem to know much about this place. What do you know?
Are you a spy?
Sounds like a mummy.
She knows nothing. Just guess.
Tragdor.
You can let her insult her like that?
Tragdor, you
Yeah,
speak for
you knew that
Kiki?
you were probably right.
You speak for Kiki?
She's a mime.
She's a mime? A mime?
She's already talked.
She speaks for you?
I
So Bonnie,
There's
came
so
out of
much-
nowhere.
There's
That
so
doesn't
much-
sound right.
There's so much magic here.
That would not end.
Kiki,
I was like, come
tell
on.
us what you know of mummies.
I leap down into the tomb.
They're wrapped. She's a mime.
Oh, are we going down?
I'm going down. Hey, I'm gonna go fight this thing if you guys want to catch up with me.
Come on, Bishop.
Bye-bye. You guys want gold? Gold's down here.
Me.
I'm here for a big magic item.
Whiskey drags him by the staff.
We gotta
Yeah.
Well, you guys are here for gold and a big magic item.
So I'm gonna go get it all if you guys don't follow me. So, bye.
Yeah,
Alright,
I'm
so
going. I'm going.
Push
Little
your toe out
known,
of
the
way.
dwarf and the elf all disappear down the stairs.
I'm going. I pushed
Alright.
by the way, so I'll go first.
She pushes you to the side and slams you against the stone.
I
Your
take one
small
punch.
dwarven body.
That's the last of my temporary health.
Your temporary health disappears. Do you get the rest of you guys go?
After
You're
I
talking
wanted
to
to go.
Torval a little bit.
Torval. Wait, how much do I know of him from being in Cholt?
How much of it's canonical too? What?
Just living in Cholt. I know at least
I'm sure he said
Pretty good,
yeah.
So he would know A's on
I
the
feel like I missed a
train.
lot of them.
He
talked to his
he
ghost.
was told by the Raven
There's a
Queen that
creature down below the tomb is poisoning everything. She guessed it was a mummy.
Jabal string and the cuts.
So we gotta go take
He
care
knew
of
something
that
was
to
up.
purify the
Do
tomb.
you know what happened with Jabal?
Before I came to this place, the Raven Queen showed me all that transpired.
So, being close to the Raven Queen, could you
Hold this up for the light.
help me seek revenge for Jabal?
See, it's dark.
Azon betrayed you all.
Do you seek to ally yourself with my queen?
Shiny.
She requires an oath.
How would that affect another oath?
Currently existing.
I do not know.
So if I
Can we cross the stream?
so if I promised you, Raven Queen, that I could help Cholt, in retrospect, help people of her worship keep her in their, as far as their main deity, would she bless me with certain abilities?
Seek Coco. I may
Coco
protect him. Further his aid.
The names keep rolling.
She may accept you then and grant you the power.
Okay. Well, I need to join up with the rest of the group. You seem like you're at peace.
I'm going to float here until you finish, probably, maybe.
My super cappuccino.
I wish that I had something to drink.
Okay.
Should everybody come get some gold or just leave it for us?
You hear an elven voice shout that to you from the stairs.
Little girl, you ain't seen butt whooping till you see me whoop butt.
You're like 115 years old. You may know.
Yeah, you're older than him. You've seen some butt whoopings.